This video is for 11-4. So a company purchased $10,000 of merchandise inventory on a 1-year 10% notes payable. We're going to write the journal entry for 12/31/24, 6/30/25, and 12/31/25 when it's due. So let's start with 12/31/24. So this means that it has been the day that we actually borrowed the money and got the inventory. So we're going to debit what we got, which is merchandise inventory, and we're going to credit how we paid for it, which means we borrowed the money. So we're going to credit notes payable. Okay, so now it is 6 months later, and we are accruing interest that will be due in the next 6 months. So when we accrue it, that means we know about it, we just hadn't paid it yet. So we're going to go ahead and book it to interest expense. So to calculate this, I'm going to write it over here. We're going to take the amount that we borrowed times the interest rate times the time that has passed, which is 6 divided by 12. So 10,000 times 10% divided in 2, divided in half, gives us $500 that we haven't paid yet, but we will pay for interest when this is due. So for now, we're going to put in a liability account called interest payable. All right, so now the last entry is 1 year later. Remember, it's a 1-year note. That means it's mature and we are ready to pay it off. And so we're going to reverse out all of our payables and record our other 6 months of interest. So we're first going to reverse, let's see, I'll highlight it. We're going to reverse these two to start with. You can only take out what you have put in. So in notes payable, we have 10,000. In interest payable, we have 500. And this interest was only through June. We also had July through December. So we have 6 more months of interest that never has hit interest expense. So this is July through December. And this was January through June, just to keep it clear. All right, so that's all of our debits. The only thing left is we need to write them a check and pay what we owe, which is $11,000. So it's the 10,000 plus the 1,000 of interest. So this is the amount we actually owe back. And that's in the video for problem 11-4.